G'day guys, Greg here. Now I am on my way to Domino's. They've got a brand new pizza crust, the Meat Pie Crust. Sounds pretty interesting. So how about we whip on in, grab one, suss it out and see what this Meat Pie Crust is all about. Let's go! Okay, well here we go, the Meat Pie Crust Pizza from Domino's. Now, what you do is you order a pizza and for $3 extra, you get the Meat Pie Crust. And today I got the Carnivore. It's a new pizza out. Anyway, it's got some weight about it. Let's check it on the scales. Okay, well that says 677 grams. Well, the box normally weighs about 120 grams, so you're looking at maybe 550 odd grams for this pizza. That's quite a feed. Anyway, let's crack it open and see what this pizza looks like. I can't wait to see it. So all up, this pizza costs $18 dues. Anyway, here we go. La-da-da-da-da-da. Wow! Oh, mate! How cool is that? Oh, dudes! And it even comes with some tomato sauce. Now, these are 4 and 20 pies, so they should be pretty good. Now, the Carnivore is packed with crispy bacon, seasoned ground beef, Italian sausage, and seasoned chicken on a pizza sauce base, topped with creamy hollandaise. Ooh, doggy, that looks good. Now, let's see if this has got any pizza stretch. Well, I need to find out where it's been cut first. If I can get the... Can you just move out of the way so I can get the... here we go. Oh, nothing there. But it does look like when you got the meat pie crust, it takes away quite a lot of the toppings that you would normally get because they would probably come out to here. But the topping you are getting is a meat pie. Can't wait to try it. Okay, well, how do we eat this thing? I suppose let me just start off with this Carnivore pizza. Not too bad. I got the hollandaise. I got some meats there too. Anyway, let's try this meat pie crust. All right. Tastes like a meat pie. You can see it squishes up pretty well, but there is some meat inside. But does the meat pie blend with the other crust? Well, it would if it stayed in there. Well, we don't know. I didn't try. Let's go. Seems to taste all right. They're two different pastries though. One tastes a lot carbier than the other one. Which one is the carbier one? I think it's the meat pie one. Because the crust on this is a pretty good crust. It's light enough and sort of half fluffy, like a half-shaved dog. It can be a little dense, but hey, who isn't? Now it did come with a tomato sauce, so let's use it. Oh, it's a boy. Right, put it there. Cool. Right, how do we eat this? Yep. Tastes like a pie with sauce. With extra pastry. Is that a good thing? Well, I guess we'll find out when I give it a score out of 10. Well, value-wise, $18 for this pizza. Well, it was 550 odd grams, and well, yeah, getting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there was 8 meat pies on there. I forgot to count. You'd pay $1 each for one of those, wouldn't you? You wouldn't want to, but you would. Value-wise, I'm saying it's all right. Flavour-wise, well, the meat pie is a classic meat pie from 4 and 20. There's not much meat in there, but anyway, it's still a meat pie. The crust on the outside does add a lot extra pastry. Generally, pastry on a meat pie is too much as it is. So in this case, there's way too much. But the flavour of the Carnivore pizza, well, that was all right. I just chose any old one. I'll have to come back and do a review out of it another time. But it was meaty enough and hollandaisey. There wasn't any cheese stretch, though. Well, I couldn't really see that much cheese on there, to be quite honest. It did taste all right, and all up, I am satisfied. I think I probably enjoyed it more than what I was anticipating. I thought it was going to be an absolute shocker. But it's not too bad. And it comes with some dead horse as well. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the meat pie crust, I got it on the Carnivore today. I reckon this deserves a... 6.5 out of 10. It tastes all right, but it's not great. I mean, the pizza's okay, and the meat pies do take up a lot of space on that pizza. And well, if you were after more of a pizza than pies, then I wouldn't get it, because I'd just be getting one with a pizza that's a whole pizza instead of meat pies. Well, there's just too much pastry. There's pastry of the pie as well as the pastry of the pizza, so it's just way too much pastry. But hey, it's a little bit of fun. And well, I wouldn't get the meat pie crust again because I don't see the sense in it. But I mean, it's a gimmick, and it's probably worth a try. And if you get one, I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. But yes, I wouldn't be going back again for one. But hey, who knows? After on a Saturday night after a big one, I might be coming back for maybe 3 or 4 more of these. But anyway, there is the Domino's meat pie crust on their pizza. A bit of a gimmick, bit of fun, and it tastes all right. Well, if you made it this far in the video, how about you show it some thumb and love? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a Domino's pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger